you right click on that, you right click on this as well. This is the one I right clicked, and this is the one I right clicked. Then you click on this and it start downloading it. I've already downloaded it. Now, okay. I've already downloaded it now. I'll go to the folder. On the folder, I right click and I run as admin. Yes. Click on this to install. Let me look for the folder, program file, DAX Studio. This was the one I installed initially. So let me look it for that. I'm going to remove that. I've already had it installed on my system, so I'm going to remove that before. Sorry, I've had it installed on my system. I'm going to remove that folder, program file, and program from DAX Studio. I'm going to delete this. Now I've deleted it, so I'm going to start the installation afresh again. I've loaded Power BI. This is my Power BI. And this is my DAX Studio. Let's see if it's going to connect. Then click on OK. So you can see the dataset I have in my Power BI screen is the same dataset I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me put on my Power BI screen. You can see the dataset I have in my Power BI screen. So it's the same dataset I also have in my DAX Studio. The same dataset I have in my DAX Studio. So this is how you can connect your Power BI. You can connect the DAX Studio to your Power BI. And you can start running your query here. Evaluate. Let's run a query. Evaluate. Top N. the value and the table. And the table. That gives you. So this is how you can connect your DAX Studio to your Power BI. This so you can download DAX Studio setup here, or you download the DAX Studio setup here, whichever one of them. Either you type DAX Studio SQLB or you make use of DAX Studio and you download this setup or you download this setup.